Hey everybody, how's it going? So we have a quick unboxing or unbagging to do. Got an item from Amazon, needed it for working on the Forerunners axles. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is something I needed to grab for the Forerunner that I'm working on right now. It is my personal 2000 Toyota Forerunner, and it's just going to make doing the axles a little bit easier. Which is why I picked it up. I will leave a link up here for Timmy the Toolman's channel. He's the one that gave me the idea for it. Because he actually used it in his axle video. It is an Astro Pneumatic tool. Bag is empty. This is the 101 mini grease gun, and it's a little 3-ounce capacity squirt in your hand style grease gun. It's empty. It feels very heavy. Hope there ain't nothing missing. Orders might be sent to Astro Pneumatic Tool Co. It looks like there's supposed to be a little handle at the bottom. I could be wrong. Oh, it looks like you might have to use like a pen or a pencil or something to do that. But it's just a little hand grease gun. So you squeeze this and it comes out of the needle. Very simple. Nothing like fancy or, you know, extravagant. I do have some grease that I need to put in this. This is just going to make installing the items I need to press on the axle shafts a little easier. Especially with me being able to control how much I put on my finger compared to dipping it in a tub. Because certain axle greases, like high temperature red axle and bearing grease, it's extremely tacky, and it has actually caused the dust boot to actually spin while the axle was turning on jack stands and I have the truck running and it in gear. It actually forced the dust boot to spin slow. Wasn't spinning fast, it was spinning quite slow, but the axle was just spinning at, you know, normal, you know, 1,000 RPMs, just standard idle. And it was doing somewhere in the range of about, I don't know, 15-20 miles an hour on jack stands, maybe a little higher. And I started to notice that the axle dust boot seal was actually slowly turning, even though the axle itself was turning quite fast. And it started to walk itself out towards the actual hub assembly where the rim is bolted to. So that caused several issues, realized that there was other problems. My pressing my everything on worked great. It was actually 5mm dead on for the retainers like it was supposed to be. Problem is that dust boot, and for some reason the inner seal that I installed, I found out when I compared the SK ones I got from Napa as well as the Toyota ones that I got from Toyota. And here are the SK ones that I got from Napa, just a quick show you guys. These have a smooth surface. The ones I got from O'Reilly's are rubberized on the outside here, which added 0.02 of an inch, which actually made the seal warp when I installed it with a seal installer. It actually made the inner lip of the seal deform or concave. So this section of the metal right here on that other seal, this section right here, just a little bit in from this lip, concaved in. So now this seal is actually, this rubber section is actually slid in that way. So I'm going to have to reinstall new seals. I just won't buy seals from National brand seals from O'Reilly's again for this particular thing. This is just a little insurance card that you fill out. That's all that is. You send it in for warranty. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. It's a quick video, nothing spectacular or special. Just a little 3-ounce hand style grease gun. I'm sure that you just put something in it. This looks like it should have came with a lever, a priming lever. That's what it looks like to me, because it's got the cutouts. Like there should have been a priming lever in here. But I think that maybe they didn't provide that or something, because, you know, it's meant to stand up and you hand pack it. You actually open this and you hand pack it with grease. This will not hold a 3-ounce. Even though it holds 3 ounces, this is too small to hold a 3-ounce cartridge. And both sides don't come out. This is that plate that is at the bottom. Right there. So, I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. It looks like part number 101. For up to 3 ounces of grease, manually prime from the bottom with a screwdriver. That's what it says. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will provide this as an Amazon link if you guys want to check it out. It was $12. So I will provide that at the top, either at the top of the description, or I'll provide it in a comment, a pinned comment for you guys. All in all, it's very nice. It does say prime from bottom with screwdriver. I bet you this cap right here probably comes standard on their one that's a little longer, that actually has a cable style grease gun. This cap, they do have one that actually takes 3-ounce cartridges, so that might be, this might be just a standard plate that they put on the other bigger units. It feels nice. It's a nice spring load. You know, there's a couple other brands you can get that are like $20, $30 a piece. I'm sure they are better brands, but I like Astro. Astro's never let me down. Their tools have always worked for me. So I figured I'd give them a chance on this. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!